It's amazing to see people's eyes open around the topic. People who've never been exposed to the fact that there is a science of scaling up, to be able to bring that learning to them and to see those light bulbs going off and to hear them say, thank you for, putting this all into words and giving me some guidance on how to make sense of it, because, I was very attuned to this aspect, but this aspect I wasn't really thinking about. And to see that happen right before your eyes is just so rewarding. And because this work is always changing, there's always different projects working on different things. I'm doing a lot of sort of youth focused adolescent youth sexual and reproductive health work right now, which is a passion of mine, to really be able to work with different projects and help them be strategic and thoughtful and apply the scaling up learning. I mean, who could ask for more than that? So that's what keeps me energized every day, hearing what's going on in the field, even though I can't necessarily go right now. But working closely with those colleagues who I have and have built even during the pandemic, it's just been so rich and exciting. So that's what keeps me going in terms of the day-to-day. But how does this sort of fit with my looking back on these 25 years? So when I came to public health, as I said, I always had that passion for family planning. I really wanted women around the world to be able to access and control their fertility if they wanted to do that, right? And that has not always been a given, and it's still not at all a given, as the foundation well knows. And so I went to public health school wanting to do that. And I also, while I was there, really became more sensitized to things like infectious diseases, which I studied quite a bit and is serving me well now. I studied about health systems and environmental health, and conservation was always a passion of mine, but I didn't necessarily study that, but it's always been something I've been passionate about. And so in my work, sort of bringing these philosophical and humanitarian, really, issues together and linking them to scaling up is like, I mean, there's just nothing better from my perspective. And so that's what's kept me energized all these years. And really being able to say to people in a gentle way, you're doing amazing work, but you could be doing better. That's not always an easy message to deliver. But people have told me I'm diplomatic in that, and that they appreciate, my candor, but also my ability to convey some of this in useful and almost gentle ways. That's really been what keeps me going, because I know I have a contribution there and I can make it. And that's what keeps me going every day.